Brenda's Crafting. On today's video, we're going to do some Dollar Tree goodies. Yes! And jump right in. There's some goodies here. Oh my goodness, they're right in front of me. So I found these. Yes! Awesome find. And I got a little bit of extras to do and a future giveaway. So yes, these are so, but let's get right into this. These are going quick. These are going quick. Count your blessings. Count your blessings. Super cute, like breakfast, and it's just like good wake me up, good evening thing. Just super cute to have in your cupboard. Just love it. I got 2 of these, and then I got 2 of these. So just super cute, blessed. You can hang it up, you can display it, you can put a little coffee bar, you can just go get really creative. So I got a couple of these and a couple of these, and I'm just really excited. And I only got 1 of these because my son, his name is Ryan, and I just wanted to get a mug just for him because, you know, he's just that special. So if you don't know, my son is autistic, and so just to have something for him, he will love it. He will just absolutely love this. And he already has a truck mug, and he loves that truck mug, and he grabs it every time, so I got that one for him. But they have letters going on right now. They're going fast, so if you see it in your Dollar Tree, grab them. They're going super fast right now. And then also, I got a couple ropes, and these are also in big sizes and small sizes right now. So they have the really thick ones, and then there's less yards on it. This one is 11 yards. So it's like a medium size. So they have the small, medium, and then they have a large size. And these are going really quick. I have a little DIY planned with these, so I got a couple of those. I just grabbed 1 of these, and I'm just going to throw this in my giveaway or future giveaway. I found these. They have some cute little things in the crafter square, so I got 1 of those. And you could just do lots of DIY projects with these. I mean, just automatically you just think, you know, school, chalkboard. You can write notes. You can just make it like a note thing. You can even hang it on your fridge and just have a chalkboard pen, hook it up. I was thinking about putting mine right on the top, like just make it like a sticky thing, and then just put the chalkboard, or even lay it on the top. And then you could just have notes for your stuff on your fridge or whatever, and you could just put it wherever you want in the house to just make it like a little note place. But I'm just going to use mine like a chalkboard note thing. So that's what I got that for. And then, okay, I also got this in the crafter square. Oh, yes, these are hot finds. If you find these, this is like a dry erase board, and then this is the chalk paint. Oh my goodness, you can go to town with these with crafts. I'm so excited. I have so many things in my head. My head is spinning. I can't even concentrate because my head's spinning so much. But yes, I got several of these. I got so excited when I found them. I couldn't resist. I had to get more. So, yes, and I might add 1 or 2 in the giveaway, but most of them I'm going to keep because I have projects in my mind with this. So, I found this, yes! So this is e.l.f., and this is Workout Ready Hydration Stick. So we got that, and then we got this, and this is the e.l.f. Shape Your Eyebrow. Hello. My eyebrows are really small, but I'm not sure exactly what color this is. This is clear, so it's just Shape Your Eyebrow. So I got this, and I got 1 or 2 extras, so maybe I could throw that in a giveaway. So I got some great little finds, and I also have one thing that I want to add for y'all. What do you think about Dollar Tree, the prices going up? I mean, yes, inflation, things happen. It's going around everywhere. It's even happening at my store that I work at right now. So the prices are going up. This is normal. But what do you think about Dollar Tree going to $2 instead of $1? Or what do you think about Dollar Tree saying $1.25 instead of $1? Just because of inflation.
4 weeks. 20 papers, that's $2 plus tip.
Gee, Johnny, I don't have a dime. Sorry.
Didn't ask for a dime. $2.
Well, it's funny. See, my mom had to leave early to take my brother to school and my dad to work because...
$2. Cash.
Food for thought. Leave your comments below. I want to hear your thoughts. I want to hear what you think. I really want to know what y'all think about the inflation, and would you keep shopping at Dollar Tree? Would you just consider buying a little less because it went up? So I got several of those, and then I got this, and this is in the Christmas section. So I'm going to have another video with another haul. I had a lot of goodies in this video, so I'm going to do a couple videos instead of just doing one big huge haul, because that's what I usually do. But I'm going to post it out in several videos. So this is my haul. This is mostly what I got. I'll probably put this one in my next video, and then I got some other things I got. So I'm excited to share with y'all. And I also got this, and I'm just going to throw this in a giveaway too. So always stay tuned. I'm going to probably post another giveaway on probably my next video. I will post another giveaway video. So you got to keep watching. And also I'm excited to do a couple more crafts coming up. One of my crafts I wanted to do failed, and after it failed, I just didn't want to craft anymore for some reason. And I had 3 projects in mind that day, and it just did not work out. But that's how it goes sometimes. Sometimes things don't go the way you planned, and that's okay. And so but keep watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned. We have more giveaways coming up. Thank you, subscribers, for keep watching me. And also a little shout out to my spinner video that I'm going to post right there. Thank you all for promoting that video. It's just spreading more and more. Every day that video is getting views. And I think people are just sharing it. So thank you for sharing that video. And have a good day. God bless. I love you all. See y'all later. Bye.